Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 5 WhatsApp tracker apps. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you're new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. 1. Hoverwatch. Hoverwatch is a phone tracking app mainly used by parents and employers. It helps users monitor WhatsApp messages, calls, photos, and other phone activities without being noticed. The app works quietly in the background, making it useful for keeping an eye on children or employee behavior. It's designed for Android devices and also supports tracking through Windows and Mac computers. Key features: tracks WhatsApp messages and media files, records incoming and outgoing calls, monitors SMS, internet history, and GPS location, captures photos using the front camera secretly, keeps records of contacts and calendar events, works in invisible mode so the user won't know it's installed. Pricing. Hoverwatch is available in 3 different plans as showing in the tutorial. Choose the plan that suits you best. 2. mSpy. mSpy is one of the most popular phone monitoring apps used by parents to track their children's online activities. It allows users to view WhatsApp messages, calls, and media, even if they are deleted. The app works on both Android and iOS devices and is known for its easy-to-use dashboard and powerful monitoring tools. Some advanced features may require the device to be rooted or jailbroken. Key features: reads WhatsApp chats and checks shared media, tracks GPS location in real time, monitors call logs, SMS, and emails, records keystrokes with the keylogger feature, allows setting up alerts for specific keywords, lets you see other apps used on the device. 3. FlexiSpy. FlexiSpy is a powerful monitoring app used mainly by professionals and businesses. It offers deep access to WhatsApp messages, voice calls, and more. The app supports Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac devices. It includes some features not found in other apps, such as call recording and remote camera access. However, it's more complex and expensive compared to basic tracking apps. Key features: monitors WhatsApp messages and call logs, records calls made through WhatsApp and phone, captures screenshots and reads emails, lets you turn on the phone's microphone or camera remotely, tracks GPS location and browsing history, works in hidden mode for stealth monitoring. Pricing. FlexiSpy is available in 3 versions as showing in the tutorial. For uMobix. uMobix is a simple and fast tracking app that works well for beginners. It gives access to WhatsApp messages, calls, and media without needing to root the device. It supports both Android and iOS devices. The app updates data in real time, making it useful for parents and employers who want to monitor activities quickly. Key features: reads WhatsApp messages and views shared files, monitors other social apps like Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat, tracks call history, contacts, and SMS, shows GPS location with location history, offers a keylogger feature on Android, easy to install and update. 5. KidsGuard for WhatsApp. KidsGuard for WhatsApp is a tracking app made especially for WhatsApp monitoring. It is designed for parents who want to focus only on WhatsApp activity. This app supports Android devices and works without rooting. It captures everything from messages and calls to shared media and voice notes, making it a strong choice for focused monitoring. Key features: monitors WhatsApp messages, calls, and voice chats, tracks WhatsApp status updates and screenshots, captures shared photos and videos, works in stealth mode without rooting, offers instant data syncing and export option, user-friendly dashboard for easy control. Pricing. KidsGuard for WhatsApp is available in 3 plans, as showing in the tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.